Outreach as a copywriter has truly never been easier. I see a lot of people saying that copywriting is dead and they can't get clients, but me and the gang are signing clients every single week, and we use AI to do the hard work for us. So I thought I would show you guys the process real quick in this video. So I hope you learned something to make some money, and let's get right into it. And if this is you right now on the left, where you're sending outreach without AI, stuff that looks like this, and you're getting left on red and no one is responding to you, and you're sad and you think copy is dead, there's hope, okay? I know that if you learn this stuff in this video, you will be like me and the gang on the right, getting $1,000 Stripe payments, sending outreach with AI, so it's high quality and little work, almost instant responses. You'll be a happy boy, and you will think copywriting is the best thing since sliced bread. So here's what we're gonna cover. Step 1, how to use the AI algo wombo combo to find unlimited dream clients. Step 2, the real secret to signing dream clients in this current trust recession. And step 3, how to use the AI to create high value outreaches in 15 minutes or less. Like I said, all this stuff led to this guy getting a $1,000 client in 4 days, which is insane of being in copy school. Let's go over it right now. So starting with number 1, how to use the AI algo wombo combo to find unlimited dream clients. You see, let's go over how this works from like a logistical standpoint. You want dream clients, right? You want someone who has money and has an audience, because if they have audience and they have money, you can make them more money from their audience and they can pay you that money up front. Dream clients, the people that you're reaching out to, they want dream customers. They want people that have a problem and have money that they can pay them to solve that problem. And so it's all about figuring out, how do each person find each other? So you want to find the dream clients and they want to find customers. How do they find customers? They use content. This is the biggest opportunity of the next 5, 10, who knows, maybe 100 years, is organic content. That's where everything is moving. So if you want to make money, you need to get in front of the trend. So if they're using content, how do you find them? So this is how they find their customers, using content, but how? How do you find the right people, and how do we use AI to do it? That's what I want to show you. So let's dig in. Here's what's going on here. The paying client, the people who will pay you to write copy for them, they are putting out niched YouTube videos. Why? Because the algo does all the outreach for them. If they put out that video, their customers with problems will search those problems, and the algo will do its magic, meaning the algorithm will give them clients. It's how it works. That's how I make these YouTube videos, and you guys end up seeing them. And so if you want to find those paying clients, here's what you do. You become sneaky. You go undercover. If you search those exact pain points as their customers, the algo will then send dream clients to you. You see how crazy this is? Like, it's literally automatic lead sourcing. It's crazy. And so your niche is the course/course sellers. But to find, you have to search a sub niche. And this is where AI comes in. It used to be this was hard and it took forever, but now we have AI. So here's a good example. Let's say you want to reach out to a dropshipping coach, or really you just want to work with any coaches, anyone who will pay you. How do you find these people? Well, how do their customers find them? They're searching up queries. So how to pay taxes on dropshipping. You see how genius this is? If someone is searching how to pay taxes on dropshipping, the chances are that they've made money with dropshipping is high. And so by this guy putting out this piece of content, he's now attracting dream customers. So how do we find those dream clients? We go undercover. We search the same query, and we also get sent this video, and now we can reach out to this guy by going to his YouTube and finding his email and his Instagram. Game over. That is how you do it, guys. It's literally that easy. It's so freaking easy that AI does everything. And what I thought I'd do is even go into more detail and show you exactly how to do it. So step 1 is you just ask ChatGPT for niches. So your niche is courses and coach sellers. You just ask it, hey, what are some sub niches of courses and coach sellers that would have money and I can reach out to them online? Step 2, you ask it for search queries. It is that simple. You ask it, what are the pain points that their customers are searching? Search 3, you ask it for more. 4, you search those on YouTube. You play with the filters a bit. So it's simple. And now your algorithm will automatically send you more leads. So I hit literally 10K a month doing this, guys. I went on YouTube and I searched the search queries on a brand new YouTube account. And then that YouTube account was now trained to find the exact clients that I wanted. And so I'd hop on my outreach YouTube, I would refresh the page and keep getting new dream clients every single day without fail. So I thought I would show you guys how to do this literally in ChatGPT. So let me hit escape on the Miro real quick. We'll go over. So this is actually inside of Copy School. We'll go into the lead sourcing module. And obviously I can't show you guys everything, but I will go to, where is it? I will open up the AI. Let me real quick. All right, boom. So we just opened up the ChatGPT lead sourcing prompt. All you gotta do is click this button, create some YouTube search queries for me. Like I said, you can just ask this into ChatGPT. We just created a bot to make it super easy for the guys in copy school. We just say, help me pick a sub niche. We'll do that. Help me pick a sub niche. Boom. We'll see what she says. Let's dial in the right directions. Now, this is going to ask you some basic questions of what are you excited about? It's like, I love e-com, specifically clothing brands, and I like YouTube and IG. Cool. Now we'll see what it says. Dope. Do you like short form or long form? I'll say we'll go short form. See what it says. Dope. Clothing brand startups, UGC, Instagram growth for clothing brands. Do you see how then we have some freaking dope sub niches? So we'll go with IG growth for clothing brands. Epic. Now we'll see the queries that it gives us. Give it one moment. Boom. Literally, now we have all of these things that we can instantly, in literally 30 seconds, we can search these into YouTube and find dream clients just like that. And so the more you search, the more people you click on, the more videos you watch, your algorithm will now do this for you. You only have to do this to start it out. It's like a snowball. Once it gets rolling, it goes out of control. So epic. All right, so now guys, we're just gonna literally take this first one, and you might have to change these up a little bit or ask it for more, but it's so simple. You go into YouTube, we'll just search, boom, how to get 4 followers for your fashion brand reels. Boom. Now we have a guy that we can literally reach out to right now in the clothing brand niche. There's his Instagram. He probably has his email on here. Yep, email address, no problem. It's that easy, guys. It's so easy. It's so easy. And so, yeah, if you just do this with email accounts and, or do this with different YouTube accounts, easy peasy. Let's go on to the next point. Step 2, the real secret to signing dream clients in the current trust recession. So a lot of you guys might not realize how easy it is to really make money with copywriting because you don't understand what's going on behind the scenes. It's actually very simple. So let's say that we have a YouTuber who sells a course, just a very simple example. This could be e-com, change it to whatever you want. He's making around 10K per month. He's posting weekly videos. He's got a basic sales page. He's got a lot of other random sponsor and random links. He's got an email list of a few thousand people, maybe a free community. But now you add your persuasion, you add your copy skills, meaning you just give this guy some better ideas and better thumbnail ideas. You fix his CTAs. There's not all that random crap. It's just literally going to his main pages. You write him a new sales page. Maybe you write him some emails, maybe a promotion sequence every once in a while to sell his stuff. Maybe you write some posts in the free community, a link to a sales page. And guys, you don't have to do all this, but if you want to make a ton of money, this is what you do. You can just do one of these things and make money. And now, when you add your copy skills with his already existing audience, the end result is he gets more views on the sales page, more sales, and more money. And now they're making 20, 30K a month. And guys, this is not a hypothetical story. This is exactly what happened to Robert. So Robert joined CE and made 10K in 4 months. So insane. He over tripled his investment in just a few months after being in CE by doing this exact thing. He literally found a YouTuber, did these things for him. They all printed money. Everybody is happy. The issue is, you're probably asking, KJ, how? No one will trust me. No one will let me do that stuff for them. And that's why this version of outreach is so important. And the good news is, guys, there is literally no competition for those who put a small amount of effort in. I'm serious. Like, these are the guys from Copy Elite making literally tens of thousands of dollars. It is insane. So check this out if you want. Most of you guys are sending horrific outreach, and I'll spare you going through each of these. Sorry if you're one of those people who sent me these, but here's the real problem. It sounds like a robot. It's not personalized to me, so I feel like you're wasting my time, and you're also not displaying any skill. It's almost like you're just spitting in my face by saying my time is worth nothing, you're not going to show me your skill, and it's not even personalized. You sound like a robot. So here's the magic formula. It goes like this: attention, skill, trust. If you can get someone's attention and then show them your skill, that's great, but that's not enough. You have to get them to trust you. And that is where our outreach strategy comes in. We're going to send outreach that gets attention without clickbait. We're going to build insane trust instantly, and we're going to display your skill perfectly. Outreach that works. So here's Ethan. This guy, man, shout out to you, Ethan. 15 years old. He joined CE and makes 6K this month, 4K USD. So 4K a month at 15 years old in high school. Insane. In just 2 months of being in Copy Elite. Nuts. So let's go on to how we freaking do this, because that's probably what you're wondering. Let's do it. We do this using high value outreach. High value outreach is so simple, but it's so effective. It's actually insane. The guys inside of Copywriting have produced hundreds of thousands of dollars from this. It is nuts. So the reason why it works is it builds that instant attention, as good as you possibly can, instant skill, and trust. Let me show you guys how. I learned this from my dad. Real quick, I just want to say I have the best dad in the world. I'd be nowhere without my dad. I know that most people don't have amazing dad. I was lucky to have an insane dad. He's still alive. I don't know why I'm talking like he's not, but he's the best dad in the world. And he taught me this strategy when I was about 7 years old. I was too busy playing video games, and he called me outside to go cut the grass. Well, I get on the mower. I'm trying to do it quickly, and I accidentally broke the mower. So we go back in the garage, and my dad's trying to fix the mower, and I'm sitting there sulking, wishing I was playing Black Ops 2. And he turns to me and said, "Son, you want to know how to go far in life?" I was like, "What?" He said, "See what a man's doing and help him do it. I shouldn't have to ask you." And I was like, dang. And that statement stuck with me for the rest of my life. And so when I was trying to get copywriting clients, I asked myself, how do I get these clients? Like, how do I do it? And my dad's voice came in my head and said, see what a man's doing and help him do it. And that's exactly how you do high value outreach. So let me walk you step by step. Number one, find what copy they're already using. Don't try to pitch them something different. See what they're already doing. So remember the first part of this quote, see what a man's doing. That's the step. And you can pitch them new stuff later, but right now you don't have their trust. So find what copy they're already using, whether it's emails, a sales page, a VSL page, IG story sequences, YouTube videos, etc. Find what they're already doing. The next step is rewrite it using AI. So make it better. And I'll show you guys an example of me doing this in a second. So we'll do it real quick. But also, all you got to do this well is to feed ChatGPT the principal PDFs from the 10-hour copy course. So I made a 10-hour course, and you can like follow the course and DM me to get like all the principal sheets. We just fed those to AI and made an insane copy bot. So that's what I'll show you how to do. Also, you want to apply your skills. So obviously, if you're not good at copywriting, AI is not going to like magically make you a good persuader. You have to be good first. But using AI, you can do this in 5 minutes instead of 5 hours. That's the cool part. Number 3, you shoot it to them, following the guidelines of whichever platform you're on. So you don't want to run up the limits on Instagram. Like look up, literally go to ChatGPT and say, I'm sending outreach on blank. What are the limits to make sure I keep my account healthy or keep deliverability high? It's that simple. So why don't we just do this real quick? I thought it'd be cool to just kind of show you guys. So we'll go back into Copy School. Oh, I'm leaking stuff. Oops, my bad. We'll go to Classroom, go to AI Copywriting, and let's just say we're going to write a value email. So go to the copy bot. We'll click on this, and I'll say, all right, let's write some high converting copy. Which formats can we do? And like I said, if you guys want to, if you want this, you can just join Copy School in the description, or you can just build this yourself. It's not that hard. You just play around, add the PDFs, do that kind of stuff. So here's all these things that the copy bot currently does. So what we'll do is we'll like fill out, we don't even fill out all this stuff. Like, yo, can you write me some value emails to a drop shipping coach who has a goofy style voice? And I'm skipping all these steps here, but let's just see if it'll do it for the sake of this video. Okay, cool. Oh, I didn't ask her what it's offering. So offer, make your first 5K per month. CTA, book a call. So this is asking for a lot of information to make your copy insane. If you want to know why our bots are so good, it's because of this, right? You just answer these questions and it'll do it like crazy. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go super quick and we'll just fill this out as quick as we can. Let's see. Let me just assume defaults. Yeah, assume. Yeah, just assume defaults and give me a basic email. So this is like literally what you shouldn't do for this bot, but like I'm just gonna show you guys super fast. Okay, you want to make in the framework we use? Let's go with PAS, or we'll do hook value story CTA, please. So once again, this is not how you use this bot to be dope, but I want to show you guys literally how you can do this in 1 minute. Subject, why your store is emptier than my fridge on payday. It's funny. Let's be real. Your Shopify dashboard looks like a desert. It's not because dropshipping is dead. It's because you're building it like a sandcastle on a high tide. Here's the goofy truth. Most beginners treat dropshipping like tossing spaghetti against the wall. The problem is the wall doesn't want your spaghetti. Customers do. Translation, instead of copying TikTok ads, Pokemon. Dude, this is already so much better. And now you can just have it a short series of 3 to 5. Guys, it's so simple. And you can, like I said, this is the bottom tier. So you should be like filling in all of this stuff using all the formats. Like, just imagine how good it'd be if you gave it all this information. This bot is insane. But yeah, that's it. You just literally write some emails, shoot them over to them. And like I said, this is not going to be like you don't just automatically do this with no effort. Like, just put in some, what AI does is it doesn't make it a push button, but it takes it from taking you 5 hours to write this email to making it in literally 15 minutes. You just fill out those things and it's over with. And that's it, guys. It's so easy. And so here's the CTAs of this video. If you like me, if you want to like work with me or do whatever, you can, if you want the Miro board, you just DM me AI25. It's free. I don't have a setter. It's just, I just want followers, to be straight up. I want to see I want 10K followers so bad, guys. So you want that. Also, I have a 148 course for now. It might be 184 by the time you're watching this video. And we have a little bit of group coaching in there. This is for you if you're going from 0 to 1K a month with copywriting, or if you're a business owner who just wants to learn copywriting and master it without spending 4K on a course. Check that out. Also, we have Copy Lead. This is higher level. We have one-to-one coaching and like office hours almost every single day inside of Copy Lead. So that's for, please don't join that if you're not at 1K a month yet. This is for people who are like really serious about copy and want to take this full time. Link in the description as well. But other than that, love you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Go make some money with this. I'll see y'all in the next video.